Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay, so this video is kind of exciting for me because y'all, I got a package in the mail from Miss one and only Miss Leyva Beauty. Let's all give her a round of applause, okay? Because y'all, I already opened it, you guys. But to tell you the truth, I didn't really look at the stuff that's in there. I just opened it really quick because I was so excited. But then I was like, you know what? Let me just do a little quick YouTube video so I can show what, what's new, what's coming to Leyva Beauty. Now, keep in mind, this stuff inside here, it's still not released, you guys. I'm not 100% sure when it'll be released. I'm going to ask Miss one and only Miss Leyva, and just to make sure if she knows when she's going to release them so I can put it down in the description box. But you guys, I am so excited. All I know is that it's glitters. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing. So the first thing that I noticed when I opened the package was that there was a lip gloss in there, and that's why I don't have anything on my lips. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Look at this. Do you see that? Do you see the shift? Oh my god, why is it not focusing? Look at that. What? Stop it. I'm gonna try it on. Just so you guys can be jealous. Look at that. Give me. What? You guys. What? I mean, doesn't this remind you? Okay, so this is literally giving me Mariah Carey vibes. You guys, look at this. Why is it giving me Mariah Carey? Like, you guys, there's a picture out there in the internet where she has a lip gloss like this. Stop it. Stop it right now. Look at that gorgeousness. The shift is what, I hope you guys could see. Oh my god, why isn't it focusing? Ooh. What? I love it. This is so cute. And these are her new lip gloss formula, you guys. The old one was good, but this one, it's bomb. Okay, by the way, this is in the shade called Besito. I am obsessed with this. I loved the shift. Oh my god. You guys need this when it comes out. You guys do, okay? Now, let's go on to the glitters, because you guys, if y'all know, okay, so a little backstory, you guys. I used to hate glitter. Glitter was not my best friend, and low-key sometimes it still annoys me, because if you guys have been dealing with glitter before, you know it gets all over the place and it's a messy, and it's, so I used to despise glitter. But I started loving glitter not that long ago, and now it's like, glitter me up, bitch. Glitter me up, because I swear I want everyone to see me. Okay. Me having a hair. Anyway, so there's glitters, you guys. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you. There are 13 new glitters coming to Miss Leyva Beauty, you guys. Look at that. Do you see this? And the thing is that they have a shift to them. Do you see that? Okay, there's 3 more right here. Let me show y'all. Okay? Look. Do you guys see that? Okay, it's like focusing on me. There is a shift. You guys, I am so excited for these. Okay, let me go ahead and name every single one of them. So this one here is in the color silver. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna open them yet, okay? Because I am gonna do swatches, you guys. This one is in black. We had asked her for the longest that she needs to come out with the black one, so look at that. Oh my lord. This one, I mean, we already know, in the color green. And then we have this one right here, the color blue. Okay, and then this one is in the color lilac. So pretty. Oh, I already did that one. This one, did I already do these? Okay, yes I did. Let me separate them. This one is in red, of course. This one is a dark green. This dark green one is so pretty. This one is in purple pink. The shift in this one is so pretty. This one is gold. Okay, come on, focus, focus. Look at that. Oh. This one is in berry pink. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And this one is in pink. Oh, look at that. Don't look at my chip now, okay? Don't look at it. This one is in dark gold. This one's way more dark than the original gold that I showed you guys first. And then orange. This one is so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and swatch them on my hand. And I am going to be using, she does have this glitter primer. It's from Leyva Beauty, like I said, so she does have this. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Or if you guys don't have that, of course, you guys can also go in with the NYX glitter primer. Mine is all messed up because I use this every single time. But I'm going to go ahead and use this, and then we'll do that, okay? Let me go ahead and swatch them a little bit. Be right back. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and start with the first one. I'm going to go in with the shade Silver first. So I'm going to go... You guys, do you guys see that? Do you see that? Oh my God. That right there is so beautiful. The next one I'm going to go in with, it's called Pink. Let me go ahead. Oh my God, these are so beautiful. That second one is the color Pink. Oh. The next one I'm going to go in with is the color Dark Gold. And I did place a little bit of the Leyva Beauty glitter primer or glue on the back of my hand. That third one is called Dark Gold. So pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Green. I'm so scared to like drop these. That would not be good at all. That one is the color Green. So we have Silver, Pink, Dark Gold, and Green. Okay, next color that I'm gonna go in with is called Lilac. This lilac one is so pretty. So pretty, you guys. Oh my. All these colors are amazing. Okay, the next one is Black. This one right here, I feel like for New Year's, this is gonna be it. This is literally gonna be it. This black one is so nice. I think I put a little bit too much of the glue, but look at that one. Oh my God. It is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, next one is called Berry Pink. Look at that. Oh my god. That is just so beautiful. I can't stop. I can't. Oh my god. These are so pretty. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to swatch is called Blue. This blue one, you guys. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. I can't. I'm at a loss for words, you guys. Let me tap a little bit more of the black one because I feel like I used way too much glue on that one. Okay, that's better. Look at that beautifulness right there. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my Jesus. They're so pretty. So there's 5 last ones that I need to swatch. So the next one is in the color gold. There's a dark gold and then there's a gold, you guys. So just so you know, and wow, I can't get over how beautiful, and the shift, I just can't get over the shift, you guys. This shift is just everything. The next one is in the color red. You guys, don't mind my children in the back, okay? They're with their father. Let me see. This one I applied too much glue again. That's okay. This one is red. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, that's just so like Christmassy, you know. The next one is called orange. And let me go ahead and pack it on. This one is also so pretty. So far I don't have a favorite because honestly all of them are my favorite. That's so pretty. The next one is in the color, I think it's dark green. Yes, dark green. Okay. Look at that. So pretty. That dark green one. Oh, so beautiful. You guys, if you guys didn't know, dark like hunter green and olive green are literally my favorite colors. So, you know, if you guys want to buy me something, I'm just kidding. Oh, this last one is called purple pink. Look at, okay, well that swatch was horrible, but look at that, you guys. Do you see how beautiful these are? I can't. The shift and everything are just so pretty. You know, one day I'm just gonna go out and just be covered in glitter and be like, hi, how can I help you? Yeah, I will. Okay, you guys, so that is all the glitters, you guys. I am so happy that she came out with these glitters. Like, you don't understand how pretty they are. I'm so obsessed with them. You guys need to purchase them when they do come out. Like I said, I'll go ahead and put it down in the description box when she will be releasing these glitters. By the way, you guys can use my code. I don't know if you guys know, but I am an ambassador for Leyva Beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and put the code right here somewhere. It's Cari10. So please, you guys, go check them out when she does come out with them. They are so pretty And let me know down below which one is your favorite, because honestly, I can't even pick. I cannot even, sorry, I put them like on the side here because I don't want them to fall. I cannot pick which one is my favorite because they are all so stinking pretty, you guys. They have such a beautiful shift to them. They're so, oh, they're so pretty. You guys know glitter is everything. They just make the look 10 times prettier, you know? But anyway, that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said before, please subscribe, please like the video, share it with everybody that you know, and just tell them, hey, Leyva Beauty is coming up with new glitter, so you better go get them. And that's it. All right, you guys, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.